Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Jessica Lita, 35 years old, married with 3 kids. The one girl is 13, next is 10 years old, and last is 3 years old.
Okay, tell us about your previous experience as a domestic helper.
As a domestic helper, last 2018 to 2020, there are 4 members there in the family, and we are 2 helpers there.
Do you have a favorite housekeeping task?
Yes, ma'am, yes, sir. I'm very good in cleaning the house, ironing, laundry, and taking care of the children.
Okay, so what are the household tasks is your least favorite?
Household tasks, ma'am.
Less favorite.
My favorite is
Less favorite.
less favorite. Maybe it's ironing because it's so hard for me.
Okay, so what do you enjoy doing in your free time?
I'm doing in my free time just communicating my family. Just taking them a call.
What are your key strengths as a domestic helper?
My strength for being a domestic helper, I'm hardworking, patient, and willing to do everything, to learn and to train.
How do you handle challenging situations or conflict within the household?
First is I will tell my employer, ask if I have a mistake, and ask for forgiveness and talk to them personal.
Are you comfortable following specific instructions and routines?
Yes, I'm very comfortable for that situation.
Can you share your understanding of safety and hygiene practices in household setting?
Yes, I'm willing to do.
Okay, so what motivates you to work as a domestic helper, and what are your long-term career goals?
My motivation to do working as a domestic